Question. Whenever I sleep on my back, I often get sleep paralysis, so I usually sleep on my side. However, a few days ago, I experienced sleep paralysis even though I was sleeping on my side. It was incredibly painful, so as soon as I broke free, I got very angry and shouted, "Why are you hurting me? I'd like your guidance on how to overcome sleep paralysis."
When we sleep, an environment is created where our soul and other spirits interact and influence one another. Experiencing sleep paralysis means your spiritual mass is a bit weak, so you're overpowered by other spirits. Spirits possess the power of attachment, while human beings possess the power of spiritual mass. So if you strengthen your spiritual mass, you will no longer be affected by these forces. Depending on the attachments spirits held while they were alive, they are unable to move on to the spirit world after death, and instead, they wander among the living. Particularly, spirits that died holding deep resentment have strong attachments. However, once those attachments are resolved in the right way, these disturbances disappear. If you get angry during sleep paralysis, don't suppress it. Express your anger honestly. Then say something like, "This is making things very difficult for me. Let's stop doing this and find a better way." The spirits hear what you say. It is important to express yourself honestly first, and then resolve the situation wisely. Sleep paralysis is also affected by your living environment. If your current sleeping arrangement isn't right for you, your personal energy can become very weak. Try changing the direction of your bed or sleeping in another room. Even animals like dogs and cats shift around to find a spot where the energy suits them. Since the ideal sleeping direction is different for everyone, you just need to find the spot that feels right for you. It's also important to live in a space that matches your spiritual mass. If your home is too small for your energy, you'll feel suffocated and unable to channel your energy properly. Conversely, if someone with a small spiritual mass lives in a big place, their energy will disperse, leaving them unable to use it properly. That's why prominent people with a great presence cannot live in small spaces. Their energy will become restricted and unable to manifest, so they naturally need a large place. Each person should live in a place that matches their own spiritual mass so their potential can be fully utilized. It's also possible that the energy of your living environment is weighing you down. If your home feels dark or gloomy, it's a good idea to make it bright and uplifting. While you work on strengthening your spiritual mass, pay attention to the energy of your home environment as well. Do you understand?
Key teaching points. 1. Sleep paralysis means your spiritual mass is weak, making you vulnerable to the influence of spirits. However, you can overcome it by strengthening your spiritual mass, and you'll no longer be affected by them. 2. If sleep paralysis makes you feel afraid or angry, express yourself honestly. Spirits hear what you say. Express yourself honestly, then resolve the situation wisely. 3. Your living environment can also affect your energy. If your home feels dark or gloomy, it's a good idea to make it bright and uplifting. As you strengthen your spiritual mass and improve your environment, sleep paralysis will naturally disappear.